What's up, y'all? It's CJ Moto, and I'm back at you again with more Super 73 information because I'm super excited about these bikes. Like, really super excited. I woke up this morning and I hopped on YouTube to see what was out there with them. And a guy named Tristan Irvin from California, he actually just picked his up. So I'm just going to give you a short little clip of what's on his video. You can check him out. Tristan Irvin is his name. But look at this real quick.
I'm so excited. It's mine.
Look at that. Oh. So yeah, that little clip right there. I'm not trying to steal his content. I just wanted to show you that little clip right there. They got the delivery and it looked like they had like 20 Super 73s in their warehouse in California. So anyhow, I was super stoked about that. So I'm just trying to figure out now if I want to get the Super 73 S2 or if I want to get the Super 73 RX. I'm not too interested in the regular R because it doesn't have the fenders and it also doesn't have the headlight. So I'm just doing a little compare and contrast, and I wanted to see if you guys just leave me some comments and let me know what you think I should get. So you're looking at like an $800 price difference. One's like $2,200 and the other one's like $3,000. The S2 and the RX both have 960 watt-hour batteries, and they both look like they have the same 1200 nominal power with 2000 watts of peak power. They both have the same range. They both have the same charge time, which I have noticed that they do sell the 5 amp charger. I kind of wish it came with it, but it's like another $150 you can get the 5 amp charger to speed up your charge time. The one thing for me, I'm 6'2". The RX says it's between 5'3" and 6'8", and then the other one, the S2, says 5'1" and 6'8". So I'm thinking for height, the RX does sit a little taller. So that would be good for me. They both have the Bluetooth smart display. They both are Super 73 app compatible, which that thing looks awesome. There's a little, on Tristan's video, I saw the first real good clip of the little speedometer. And then you're also able to turn the little digital LCD speedometer into navigation, which is cool as hell. I love that. So you can have turn-by-turn navigation on your electric bicycle. So that's pretty cool. GPS and anti-theft security module in both of them. They both have class 1, 2, and 3 and unlimited, so they both have that. They both have throttles. They both have pedal assist, is the same Eco Tour Sport and Super Sport. The one other difference here is 2-piston hydraulic brakes on the S2, whereas the RX actually has a 4-piston brake, so it does have a better brake on it. The light kits are the same, although the RX has like a more bright headlight, I think, and kind of a more futuristic looking headlight, but I also love the look of the light on the S2. Both have aluminum frames. Now the front fork is a suspension fork with adjustable preload, compression, and rebound dampening on the S2. Similar to the RX, but the RX definitely has a beefier upside down inverted dirt bike style fork with more adjustability to it. The huge difference, the S2 has no rear shock. The RX has a coil-over piggyback monoshock with adjustable preload, compression, and rebound dampening. The tires look to be the same. The fenders, they both have fenders. Now the color, most of these points lead me into the direction of the RX, wanting that. But the one thing I really love is the color of the S2. I'll post a picture, but I love the Apollo white, and I really, really, really love the Hudson blue. So I'm thinking, man, that Hudson blue is gorgeous with that. It's got like a tan chocolate color seat kind of deal. And then the RX is way sportier looking. It's got the Rhino gray and carmine red, which I like the Rhino gray personally. Everyone I pretty much talked to kind of favors the Rhino gray. But if you're a fan of red, that would be awesome. The shifting, I've talked about how it's kind of annoying that they don't have the actual gears available, even though it says on the website they're optional, but that is going to come out at a later date. So right now they're both single speed, but you're going to be basically riding these things under power a lot of the time. So the passenger, you can have a passenger on the S2. and it looks like it does have passenger foot pegs as well, optional. Now on the, so that would be ready for my daughter to ride in front of me. She's over there. August, come here. And then the RX, it comes with optional passenger seat. So yeah, one of my dreams is I want to have her on the front of it, kind of like sitting like this in front of me on it. We can cruise around. So that would work better on the S2 right off the bat. If I got the RX, it would probably work okay. But eventually I would want to upgrade to the 2-up seat, which would be another cost. The weight goes in favor of the S2. It's 73 pounds and the RX is 80 pounds. So you're looking at 7-pound difference, or 5 to 7 pound difference, and they both have the same rider weight limit. So anyhow, yeah, I just I like both of them a lot. You can go on their website, super73.com, check them out, and then also check out Tristan's YouTube. Let's go back on here, make sure I'm giving Tristan Ervin, E-R-V-I-N. He's awesome. I'm going to go ahead and subscribe to him. And if you check out more Super 73 stuff, he's got his hands on one of these things. So that's awesome. Have a blast, Tristan. Can't wait to see your content. And please like, share, and subscribe to this video. I really enjoy doing this. I also do RC car videos. Lots of cool stuff with racing these things. 8-scale nitro buggies and 8-scale electric, or I'm sorry, truggies. The truggies are like the mix between a buggy and a monster truck. But yeah, if you want to learn more about the RC hobby, which has a lot of similarities to these electric bikes because they both have lithium polymer, lithium ion power systems, and just kind of, you would love it, I promise. If you haven't gotten into the RC thing, check it out. If you're in the RC thing and you haven't checked out the electric bikes, check them out. I'll be posting more videos today. I'm bored. It's Memorial Day weekend. Happy Memorial Day to y'all. Thank you for your service if you've ever been in the armed forces, and I hope you guys all have a great day. CJ Moto out.